Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin rights and a current backup. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Apps or Apps and Notifications so you can find Get Apps quickly. Make sure to sort or search for the app name to avoid paging through many entries. Searching saves time. If the device uses a vendor store, note that package names may differ. Identify the correct app before taking removal steps. You'll clear cache and data first to remove temporary files and reset permissions. This reduces leftover residue. Next, tap Uninstall if available. If the option is disabled, choose Disable to stop it running and hide it from the launcher. For pre-installed system apps, you may need to revoke admin rights or use package manager commands on a connected computer. Only do that if you understand risks. Once the action completes, reboot to ensure changes take effect. You finish by rebooting the device and confirming Get Apps no longer appears in your app drawer or settings. Make sure default handlers and permissions previously tied to the app are reassigned or cleared. If the app persists or causes errors, boot into safe mode to attempt removal without third-party interference or restore from your backup if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: if uninstall fails, use the vendor's support tool or run a targeted package removal command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.